Welcome back to Leah's Loot. Ooh, look at all that loot. What are we going to do with all this loot? Stay tuned. Let's find out. So glad you're here today. We are going to cash up our variable expenses for our second small paycheck for February. And then we're going to finish this month's savings challenges. We're going to try to complete the ones that are left in the book and probably add a few others and complete those as well. This will be the last day for February themed savings challenges. So any of the ones that I had pulled for February that we don't finish will roll over until next February, because March will come with a brand new collection. As you know, my hoard is obscene and I will use fresh ones every month and never run out, like till Jesus comes. Seriously though. Before we do anything, we're going to crack open a cold, chilled, unsweetened seltzer water so we stay healthy and hydrated while we're working with our money. I've got raspberry today because Giant Eagle had a sale. You know I love me my bargains. And my seltzer water. Okay, so good. So we actually have two quantities of cash right here. And what I'm going to do is get all the way down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's my other 5? There. Okay. So this stack that's in my hand, this will be for our savings challenges, but the stack on top will be for our cash stuffing. Now, I cashed my $670 paycheck today, or deposited it rather, and I took out my food money, pet money, personal spending, and givey money, which is just extra little bits of cash that I like to have on hand for additional giving above my normal tithe. But then I went straight to the store because it's snowing here and it looks like I'm going to have another day tomorrow that would be my normal day to drive 93 miles to my office. And I'm probably going to postpone my office day till later in the week and stay in. So I decided to get my shopping done today before the roads get too bad. So we're going to pull out my wallet and go to my little envelopes here. And for food, I'm keeping 50, 70, 90, 100. I had 180 budgeted from this paycheck. I spent 80. I have 100 left, which is more than enough. I stocked up on some staples and such. So the only thing I'll need with that last 100 are things like extra milk, eggs, butter, you know, just kind of the basics. Okay, for pets, they're getting 50, 60, 70. They had 130. Oh, hang on a second. That is not right. Is it right? Yeah, that's right. They had 130 and I spent out of that. And the cats are set for the next 2 weeks. I got a nice big bag of cat food for them and some extra litter. So this money will just be for Holly's dog food, which is more than enough. For my personal spending, I'm giving myself $25. And for Givey, I'm giving myself 5 singles. Okay, so our envelope is stuffed. We should have 228 here to use for savings challenges. Let's go ahead and count it and make sure that my math was right. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 228. That is correct. Cool, cool, cool. Before we get into our savings challenge binder, let's pull out the February box challenge we've been working on. We're going to finish this today. We've gotten through a lot of the holidays that were the special days that were featured in here. February 9th was National Pizza Day. February 14th, Valentine's Day. February 17th, Random Acts of Kindness Day. February 22nd, that was Sunday, yesterday, and that was National Walk Your Dog Day. I did not walk my dog yesterday because it was snowing and slippery. Third Friday of February was National Caregivers Day, and International Polar Bear Day is coming up later this week. And we're pretty close to being done with this, so we're just going to finish the whole thing. All right, our search and save for pizza is $2. We'll just do some mental math and add up this as we go, because we'll be finishing all of these today. These were 2 are already done. So $2 plus the last Valentine is another $2. That's 4. Plus one from Walk Your Dog Day. That's 1. That's 5. Plus a Polar Bear Day is another 5. That's 10. Plus a caregiver one is 1. That's 11. Plus another polar bear one is 2. That's 13. And the final polar bear is 14. 14. And we are done. Oh, I see one. 14. We're going to say 17. Because the kindness one, I have no idea where the card was. It's probably in the bottom of the bag that I was storing them in. Okay, $17 we're going to add to this. And this will be finished. This will be added up for all of our savings when we tally that in the next video. 17 bucks. This is from Melissa Manages. So it's already near the end of February. So if you hadn't grabbed this already, go on Melissa Manages Ko-fi shop and download it and use it next February. Okay, and 17 bucks we'll set aside. Cool, cool, cool. Let's get into our savings challenge binder. And we'll finish our minimalist one. That's $30. Mark that one off. And we saved $75 total for February with that challenge. That came from CreativeInkScribbles Etsy shop in a bundle that I frequently use. And I pull those every month. So there's the $30 for that one. Let's finish this one. This was also from the same bundle. We're saving $125 with this one, and we have $30 left. The last 20 and the last 10. This one saved us $125 total. Cool. Okay, now, last week we finished a bunch, so I pulled some new ones. These are cute. This is from the Enchanted Owl's Nest that she put out for Valentine's Day. Look how adorable. Aren't they precious? Aw, little baby duck. So we'll just do all of these and just save $1 a piece for each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I like the raccoon. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Do you hear Holly? I'll check on her in a second. So we're going to save 24 bucks. 1, 2, 3, and 4 from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. Those are cute. Let me check the dog 1 second. This one's cute. This is from hMoneyBudgetz. It says, I don't need a Valentine. I need a nice coffee. Let's save these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. hMoneyBudgetz. And of course, all these designers will be named in the description box. So if you see a cute savings challenge that you like here, you can go find them. These ones are cute. This is from Ellie On Earth. February themed or winter themed. Baby, it's cold outside. These cute little, look at the duck snowman. So we'll finish both of these. Just $1 a piece. They're adorable though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And you know what? Let's do a roll and save just for fun on the snowman and one on the other duck. Plus 1 is 23. Plus 2 is 25. So we'll pull 25. I want to mark. I think let's see. This one was 10. This one is 15. Just so I remember, makes it easier to add them up at the end of the month in our final tally video. Okay, we had done some of these before. This is from Agape Book Club and Paper Co. We did some Christmas themed ones a couple months ago, and now I've got just these beautiful blue winter ones. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We'll count each snowflake as 1, and then we'll do a roll and save for the icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 2, plus 6, plus 5, plus 4. $17, $23, $27, $29, $33. Okay. I'm going to put this 50 in my cash pile and make some change. Okay, so 50 is going in and 17 is coming out for 33. Let me write a big old 33 right here. Neat. Those are pretty. Agape does a bunch of really pretty ones. I like theirs a lot. Okay. We get to finish this beauty. We have 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 14, plus 9 is 23. Did I do that right? Wait a second. 9 and 3 is 12. Let me go backward. 9 and 3 is 12, and 7 is 19, 20, 22. 22. I was like, I think we actually added that before. And prior to that, I had 10, 25, and what was that number? 24? It was a big one. Of course, I marked right over it. Oh, well. 22 plus 25 plus, I'm pretty sure that was. Hang on a second. I need to get to better light and look at this one because I'm blind. Yeah, it was 24. So 6, and we mark the ones off that we filled in today. And that one. 4, 6, and 5 is 11. Carry the 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. We've saved 71 with this one. Okay. Cool, cool. Let's pull it. Last $22. Here we go. Okay, this is the rollover money from last week that just needs to be allocated at the end of the video, so I'm going to add that to my stack here. Let me pull a few more because we still got some money to work with. Let's do a quick count and find out what we got working here. At least 25. 5, 10, 15, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $35 left. Okay, this is fun. This was a new user for me that I discovered. Always Angela XOXO. And she has this one featuring Oswald and Hortensia, old cartoons, that total $25. So let's save 25 here. 5, 6, 8, 10, 13, 15, 18, 19, 21, 22, 25. 5, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cool. That one's done. And for the last one, I just picked this one out because it is super cute. So it's this little songbird. This is from CrisCrossBudgets. This was another new user for me. But it's the saying at the top that cracks me up. I'm not qualified to diagnose, but I have some theories. Now, we won't be able to fill out this whole thing, but what we have left should be $10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll mark 10 of these. This one, oh, there we go. 10. This one will be incomplete, but that's okay. It's the last one for February. And we have spent all our cash. We have used up as many savings challenges as we can, and we've gotten some cute ones out of it. So thanks for hanging with me. Our next video, we will tally up everything we spent in February and see how much we saved for the month. That would include savings that we budgeted for, rollover money that we were able to save from our variable expenses, and my January mileage check. Then we'll, the next time we do a video, after that, we'll be reviewing my March budget and going over a couple of little minor adjustments that I'm making to it for the next couple of months, because I am in the process of moving, and my last day at my current smaller job is April 5th. So I only have 3 more paychecks at that job, and then I'll be moving to my new location and finding a new job, plus keeping the bigger job that I have. So my income is going to fluctuate greatly until I can land steady work at the new place. I'll have to figure out how to live on my main job only, which is only a part-time job. So for the month of March in particular, I'm really tightening my belt. I'm going to be eating my pantry down. I'm going to be cutting my grocery expenses. I'm going to be cutting extra spending on the pets, and just make sure that they're fed and taken care of, and they're well loved and cared for here. And they have an emergency fund if anything does go wrong. But I won't be spending a ton on special treats and toys and that sort of thing until we get moved and settled. You know, so other places where I can just trim the fat a little bit or redirect some of my money, just so I have a little bit of a nest egg going into the move. And I know there will be some expenses. There always are when you're getting ready to move and you need cleaning supplies and minor little repairs. You know, I have some like nail holes that I'll have to fill in, so I'll need putty, things like that. Stuff that I wouldn't normally buy, but for the move I'll need it. Plus any moving expenses like renting a U-Haul and having gasoline to drive down. Those are the things I have to be mindful of, so that's what our budget will reflect. Thanks for hanging with me today. I am giving all my loot a job. I hope you are too. And I'll see you in the next video.